To remove a jammed card from the 820, make sure to first power off the device and unplug it. Open the top lid to remove the print cartridge and see if you can find the card in the card path. So here we see that yellow card is jammed in close to the input feed area. On the left-hand side of the device, there's a wheel that you can rotate to move the card path back and forth. So you can see that as I turn that, the card is moving on the card path. The wheel to rotate the card path is located on the left-hand side of the device, immediately above the power port. You want to rotate that wheel until you get the card to a place where you can reach in carefully and remove it from the card path. Typically the middle of the card path is the best spot to do this. So I'll rotate it to about there, reach in to pull the leading edge of the card up, and carefully remove it from the device. Sometimes, in the event of a card jam or a ribbon jam, it's possible for the print ribbon to break into two pieces. You don't need to necessarily replace the supply when this happens. If you have access to Scotch tape, you can tape the two supplies back together. It's best if you can line up the broken supply as carefully as possible, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you have the supply taped back together, you just want to advance it through a few panel sets to make sure that the taped portion is secured by the discarded ribbon on the take-up spool. Once it's taped back into place, you can replace it into the machine and run a test card to make sure that your repair was successful.